All right, so let's talk about wheeled coolers. This is a nice one here. This is by a company called Kedsum. I want to thank them for sending this out to me. Give you guys a review, show you what this cooler is all about, and what we think of it. First of all, perfect size. This one holds up to 84 cans, though you'd have to leave some room for some ice. So, but very large capacity. Wheels on this are really nice, all-terrain wheels. Really rolls well over pretty much any terrain. If you can roll over rocks like we have out here, you can roll over anything, but these work in the sand, dirt, grass. Foldable design, so you have this sleeve on the back here. This sleeve is just going to slide down over the handles, and you have spring loaded little strap right here. So this little clip, spring actuated. So once you get that pulled nice and tight, you just tuck your strap up in there, and this is not going anywhere. Staying on there really nice. So you get double zippers for all of your compartments. Start with, you got the top here. So nice compartment up here. You got this, put sandwiches, fruit, anything you want in here. You're moving down here. Now there's your deep compartment, and this is all really thick padded construction. So this is going to keep your ice from melting for days. Really nice. Front pocket here opens up nice and big. You have a Velcro strap in here. You know, if you have food in plastic containers, Tupperware, whatever it might be, slide those right in there, zip it up. You're good to go. You also have these side compartments here, both sides. You also got these nice handles on the side. Or if you're going to put this handle down, you're going to want to lift it up, carry it, set it up in the back of your car, whatever you're doing. Makes it really easy. Handle here, you have the little button. It's going to slide up, lock into place. You can see these right here. So when you push that, you'll see those go in. You can just drop your handle. So yeah, love this thing. It's great. It's light, easy to move around. Love these tires. I don't know if you can see down here, but I'll show you how this thing rolls over the rocks. It's a breeze. Thing's really nice. So yeah, highly recommend this. We've always had the hard-sided coolers with the wheels on them. Plastic construction on the back set of it. The dry rots over time, doesn't last very long. This is all metal construction. It's going to last you, and I think you're going to be really happy with this cooler.